I've had this recipe for 33 years. It sort of looks like it, doesn't it? It's on an old yellow pad. It's just scribbled out in my handwriting. I've got a note on there about, for some reason, I needed the phone number to the Marriott Hotel in Atlanta, and I've got a sticker down there on how to use the phone system. This was when I worked at a newspaper called Phoenix New Times in Arizona, and I was the food editor for the food section that was called Chow. The recipe was given to me by a nutritionist, and I don't remember what the article was that I was writing that included this recipe, but I liked the recipe. It's for the bran oat mighty muffins. She also called them her broom muffins because it has so much bran in it that sort of sweeps you clean. But I call them my Banana Bran Muffins because once I moved to Florida and found that I had a backyard that had banana trees and I was growing bananas all the time, this was a great recipe to use up some of those bananas. And I just recently had a batch, so I thought I would share it with you now. Take a large mixing bowl and add the dry ingredients. 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 cup oat bran, 1 cup rolled oats, 3/4 cup wheat bran, half a cup of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons baking soda, 1/2 cup of raisins. In a separate bowl, add the wet ingredients. 1½ cups buttermilk, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup oil, and 1 large mashed banana. I like to use more than 1 large banana, and the bananas that I grow in my backyard are small, so I've added as many as 5 of those. You can also use store-bought bananas, so use your judgment. I think you can add more than you think you can. The recipe seems to handle it. Mix the dry ingredients and mash the wet ingredients. Now, I like to stop at this point. I usually make this in the evening, and I just cover the bowls. I put the wet ingredients in the refrigerator, and then in the morning, I take them out, let them get to room temperature, and I bake them then so that I have nice hot muffins for breakfast. Mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, then spoon into muffin tins. Bake at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. You'll know they're done when you stick a toothpick in and it comes out clean. These are basically healthy muffins, but I put a healthy amount of butter on mine, sometimes some jam. You can eat them any way you want. I hope you enjoy them.